Hey friends, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel Phyrra, where we talk about cruelty-free beauty, gothic fashion, mental health, and lifestyle. If this is stuff you are interested in talking about, click subscribe to join in the conversation. So today's video is going to be all about hooded eyes. I have hooded eyes, you may know this. If you've ever wondered, do I have hooded eyes, this is the video for you. Hooded eyes have a wide variety of shapes. For example, Alyssa Ashley is a gorgeous YouTuber with hooded eyes, and I think her eye shape is quite different from my eye shape. So many of the lovely ladies in the Phyrra Facebook group sent me photos to create this video to show you a wide variety of hooded eyes. Some of these eyes are also deep set. I do want to let you know that there are basically 6 different eye shapes: round, monolid, hooded, downturned, upturned, and almond. And there are additional descriptors used when describing eyes, such as close set, wide set, asymmetrical, hooded, big, small, and deep set. So if you've ever wondered, do I have hooded eyes? Here are some of the things to think about. Do you have a crease? If the answer is no, then you likely have monolids. If you answer yes, is your crease hidden beneath a curtain of skin? If you say yes, then you likely have hooded eyes. Try drawing a line across your eyes, left to right, to see if your outer corner pulls down or up. If your eyes turn down, they are downturned, and if they turn up, they're upturned. If they don't turn either way, they're probably almond. So hooded eyes are eyes that have excess skin from the brow bone to the lash line, which hides the crease in the mobile lid space. If you're like me and you've struggled for years to follow makeup tutorials on YouTube, magazines, or blogs, you might have hooded eyes. Most makeup tutorials are for almond or protruding eyes. My eyes are hooded, and they're also a tad deep set, meaning my brow bone extends past my eyeball. My eyes are also slightly downturned, meaning that the outer corner of my eye shape is pulled down by excess skin. I basically have a curtain of skin at the outer three-quarters of my eyes. The usual giveaway for hooded eyes is that the mobile lid, which is the part right by the lash line, is partially or fully obscured by excess skin draping over it from the brow bone. So kind of imagine it like this. Alright, so now I'm just going to jump into the pictures of the lovely ladies from the Phyrra Facebook group and their hooded eyes. Some of these eyes are going to be more hooded than others, some are going to be more downturned or upturned, some are going to be really deep set, but this is just to give you a wide range of variety to look at and to think about whenever you're thinking about hooded eyes. So now that you've seen all of the photos of the different types of hooded eyes of the lovely ladies from the Phyrra Facebook group, I did want to let you know that if you are somebody who has hooded eyes and you've struggled with makeup, I highly recommend checking out my book, Hooded Eye Makeup Manual. In this book, I give you all kinds of step-by-step tutorials on how to apply eyeshadow on hooded eyes like mine. I don't use just myself. I have other models that I use as well. I give a brush guide so you can see the shapes of brushes that I find really useful. I use generic terms for makeup, so you don't have to buy anything new. You can just shop your stash and use whatever you have on hand. And yeah, this is real, unfiltered, unedited makeup. I didn't do Instagram makeup in here. It's just makeup you see on me. Some pictures have false lashes, some pictures have lash extensions, some are just on naked eyes. But this is a really great guide that so many of my friends urged me to write and to put, because people wanted me to put together a book of tutorials with all of my tutorials in one place. So I did put a lot of my popular tutorials in here, as well as other ones that I created just for this book. So if you are somebody who struggles with hooded eyes, be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching this video. If you're wondering what to watch next, check over here because I'm going to suggest something special just for you. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.